Lecture number 3, Artificial Intelligence. Which of the following can operate over joint state space? The answer is decision making and learning algorithm. We can track uncertain events with the help of. The answer is actuators. Which of the following is the agent architecture that is used to capture all kinds of actions? The answer is hybrid. Which of the following functions are used as preference over state history? The answer is reward. Which of the following is the meaning of the agent precept sequence? The answer is a complete history of perceived things. The total number of types of agents in artificial intelligence. The answer is 4. Thank you. Like, subscribe to my channel.